Hi Chuck, we're back with Bandit and Susan with Rambo and Helen with the two Katya and Kenya. And we've got Oliver out here, so I will tell you that the little husky's scared of the new dog. You know, it's a very suspicious breed. Anyway, so we're just working on the off-leash recall. We do have that sound box collar thing on him, so you can hear that buzzing when I do the pager. The other ones have the collar on, not these two little shepherds, but they don't have the sound box. Rambo! They follow me wherever I go. Kind of figured out that's about as fast as Oliver goes, but he didn't go at all before, so. Oliver! Yeah, we definitely got to start those other puppies on the pager. We'll do that next week. Oliver! Oliver! Saw what happened there, you guys. You saw how he whipped around with the pager. He's just not going to commit to coming real fast. Well, you have to pick your battles. You know, it's like, oh, this little dog needs to, be an obedience champion. Huh. God, that's not your expectation. Hunter! Good girls! Good girls! All right, Helen, good news. She's paper and she's never loose a stool. The Flora Forte. Alright, see if you can call the little shepherd over there to you.
Rambo!
Oh, he knows that game well. Rambo! Good boy. Ouch! Bandit follows me? And that is going to happen, you guys. I mean, we're not going to keep on and on. If he doesn't go away, there's no reason to call him. You're going to have to get creative, though, at some point so that, you know, they do, or they're never going to learn. Rambo! Yeah, Rambo's actually a very good teacher for Bandit, don't you think? I'm going to reward that little husky at this point, you guys, just to, you know, the behavior of running to the humans reaps rewards. Bandit! Good. Uh-oh. Oliver's actually surprisingly good with puppies as long as they, you know, cave into his rigorous demands. Uh-oh. Bandit!